If you've ever wondered how to turn a PDF or ebook into a full online course, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to transform your written content into an engaging, interactive online course that anyone can follow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it, and I'll even share a free trial for the software I recommend so you can follow along. So, why should you turn your PDF or ebook into an online course? Well, you're not just offering information, you're creating an experience that people can interact with. An online course adds value through multimedia, quizzes, and assessments, making it more engaging and profitable than a static ebook. Let's dive in. The first step is to break down your ebook or PDF into key modules. Think about the structure of your content and how to turn each section or chapter into a module. You want to make sure the information is bite-sized and easy to digest, so keep it focused and simple. For example, if you have a 100-page ebook, break it down into 5 to 10 modules, with each one covering a major point from your book. Next, you'll need to add some multimedia. This could be video lessons, voiceovers, or even images and diagrams. The goal here is to bring the content to life and help people understand it better. You can record yourself explaining key concepts, or even use tools like screen recordings or slideshows to enhance your content. After you have your modules and multimedia ready, it's time to upload everything into an online course platform. You'll want to use software that can help you organize the content, track user progress, and even offer certificates. This software allows you to upload your PDF or ebook content, add quizzes or exercises, and organize everything in a way that's user-friendly and interactive. When choosing the software, I've tested a few popular platforms, and the one I'm recommending today is the software we'll be using in this video. You can start with an exclusive free trial by checking the description below. This trial is only available for viewers of my channel, so if you want to follow along, make sure to grab it now. Once you have your course set up on the platform, it's time to add interactive elements. You can include quizzes at the end of each module, discussion boards, or even assignments that will help your learners retain the material. This is where the real magic happens, turning your static PDF into something engaging and memorable. One last important step is to set a pricing structure for your course. Whether you're offering it for free to build your audience or charging a premium price, it's essential to think about your strategy here. You could offer a basic version of the course for free and then charge for advanced modules or offer a complete package. You can even create tiered pricing for different levels of access. So, here's your key takeaway. Turning a PDF or ebook into a full online course is a great way to take your knowledge to the next level. Break your content into modules, add multimedia, upload it to an online course platform, and don't forget about interactive elements. Remember, the software we'll be using is the best platform to organize and deliver your course. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. To recap, break your content down into modules, add multimedia for engagement, use a reliable online course platform, include interactive elements like quizzes, and set your pricing strategy. Start transforming your ebook or PDF into a powerful online course today.